Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show how to use currency conversion in your analytical application. Means how you can show the real-time currency conversion between two currencies using custom widgets. So first of all, you have to open this link, then go to repository. Here you can see many widgets are there. So you can go to the currency widget, and after going to currency widget, you have to download the JSON file. Okay, or other thing, you can just simply open the website sapcustomwidget.github.io. So here you can see all the widgets. So just simply click on the download button, so it download the JSON file in your system. So what you can do, go to your analytical application and go to custom widget tab, and then just add from here. So here you can see I have downloaded this currency widget JSON file. Just open it and just click on OK. So it's loaded. Okay, now go to your analytical application. I'm creating new analytical application, so let me create it. So okay, so now what you can do, go to insert tab, and you can see one custom widget option. Now select currency conversion widget. Now you can simply drag and down this. So now you can see the currency conversion visiting. Now you have to change the currencies, or you have to change amount. Just go to the designer tab, go here, and you can see the currency. So this is the source currency. So this currency converting to INR, and how much amount you want to uh, convert. So like for example, I want to convert 100. So click on the update, so amount will be updated also. Okay, now for example, you want to update from AUD. Just enter AUD and update, so AUD amount will be updated. And this is the decimal point, how many decimal you want to show in the currency. Like if I give 5, so decimal will be updated to 5 if 5 is coming. So for now I'm giving 0. Okay, so if you give 0, so it will show nothing, it will show only integer value. So simply save the application. Now let me give name currency. Let me run this application. What happened? Save, run application. Now you can see currency is coming here. Now there is some function also, like if you want to change currency from method or currency something else. So let me create one button, go to address option and on click. Now select widget. For example, I want to change source currency from the button. So just simply add this widget, then dot, then use function uh, set from. Here you can give currency like USD and just save it. So it will update the source currency. So currently we have given AUD. Okay, but when I click on button, so it will change to the USD. So let me show you. Let me cancel this. So currently is AUD. Let me click on the button. I click on the button. Now it will update to the USD. See, amount is updated and USD also updated. So there's many function available. So you can simply check from the GitHub repository which function we have and how to use it. So set from to, you can set currency, source currency. You set to you can change target currency. Set amount, amount means this amount you want to change from uh, script, you can use this function. You want to update decimal, you can use this function. And there is some get function also. There's different get function also here. Like if you use this, it will only return the currency. Like if I use this function here, so it will return only 82. So something like that. So like that you can use currency conversion widget in your analytical application. So thank you for watching. Just comment if you have any doubt, and I'm putting this link to my description link. You can just follow that. Thank you.